Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make a fillable form in Canva. This is a great way to create interactive documents like surveys, sign-up sheets, or feedback forms that people can easily fill out. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on this blank page. From here, we can start adding text. We will add a text box here, then edit it to say name. We will then place it like this as an example. Next, we will use the drawing tools to add lines beneath the text fields. Once the form is ready, all we need to do is click on Share, then go to Download, and choose the file type as PDF. We can also select PDF for print. For this example, let's choose PDF Standard. We will make sure to include the notes so the form can be fillable as a PDF. Then, just click Download. And that's how we make a fillable form in Canva. With this simple method, we can create professional-looking forms that are easy for anyone to use.